No. Yeah, but man, water should have been ungenerated. Oh. All right. Yes, 88 water. Get the cause word here. But I can carry it. Oh, let's look for cricket. It's gonna be a little tricky. Cricket can show up. I'm gonna look around Diamond City first, and then I'm gonna check one other area. I don't see her in none of those spots. I can't find her yet. I can, but she's way. She might be around Bunker here. I know I can find her there, but I don't want to go all the way over there. Plus, I don't know if I can make it over there. If we got enough, 88 some each. What is that? About 500 caps. Damn, that ain't nothing. Oh, got ammo. That's right. I can sell my ammo. I can get it. I'm guessing it's gonna be around 20,000, 30,000, somewhere in the middle, depending on my charisma. And we got two very, very high costing weapons to get to. One is the big boy, and the other is artist daughter. The big boy is a nuke, is a fat man that shoots two nukes at once. And look around a little bit. Anywhere.
Yes?
On here.
Not this time. That's that.
There you go, Cosworth. Let them know why your name's Cosworth. Look at Raider right on. Shitty. Bring me this shit. Wow. Alright. Go for cricket, yeah. Right. Go down.
Yeah.
Let's look at the map here. You know where. Go ahead. Put it over. Go ahead, so. Right about here. Oh. Alright. So she ain't close to Diamond City right now. She'll be in the city. She always be around it. What we're gonna do is just rest here. Alright, so our goal is to head around. I want to say this. I'm a little worried because I might run into something to fight. Not sure we can take it. Cricket. Cricket. Art Dow Cricket. Psychotic weapon seller. Where are you? I need you. Now, a lot of people been comparing Fallout 4 to Witcher 3. I know Witcher 3 won Game of the Year. I was just I have not played Witcher. I honestly don't plan on playing it. To be perfectly honest with you. See if I can find Cricke here. Yeah, this is Vault 8. Cricket. Wherefore out there quick. The only other place I can think of finding is usually here. We definitely ain't getting in there. We need 3 fusion cores inside that vault. I don't see her, man. I try to do another quest. That's what I could do. Alright. That we'll do.
Hey, miss you.
Water for a while. Ain't around here, shit. I'm guessing she around bunker here. Let's go to Concord. Let's go in the sewers. Clean that up. Ugh.
Ouch.
Like I say, we're gonna go in the sewers. See what we can do. This is the place that Deathclaw came from. Deathclaws don't usually supposed to be this high up. Supposed to be much closer to the radiation. You know, cause over there are made from radiation.
Are we pack rats?
Yes, we are. Shut up. Put these things. Listen. Our little friend had fun with before we down here. You know what still spooks me? Giant cockroaches. I don't know why. That's the spookiest thing in this game to me. You know the Death Claws and whatnot. Spookiest thing on is giant. I see a like my screen turned for a second. I see a giant cockroach. I be like, whoo, you know, they were doing that. I mean, I do that for like big scary monsters too, though. I'm just saying, it's amazing the giant cockroaches still get me like that. Oh man, my chest hurting. Oh, fuck guys. I don't know what I did.
What's all not this time?
Damn, my aim is terrible. Fuck. How worse is it? I would come through in the clutch. Be like, get out my homie. Alright. Good job, Cosworth. Oh, get the fuck out of here. Alright, Cosworth, do your due diligence. I would kill anything better than I am. No! I ain't trying to drink water, goddammit. Trying to loot the damn thing. Oh. For some reason I thought that water was poison. I never let myself jump in it.
Come out and face us. Found you. I have a blast off with your name on it.
Come back here.
That about takes care of that.
Alright. Got him. Buff out. I'm trying not to use drugs when I'm with Cosworth. He don't like that. Believe me, I will use it if I have to. Oh, something. And the armor was it? I could get 30. Slightly better than what I could do. I'm tattooed. Facial tattoo. You can get body tattoo. Who knows? Yeah, he's uptake. So you can loot one of them bones. I feel like you should be able to loot some of them bones. Especially since you can use bone. Make sure you can only loot certain bones or something. Damn it.
Yes.
Alright, so. Alright. I'm thinking the water generated again, so that should be another 80. Linked up the source. Got everything in there. We're gonna look for Cricke one more time. And check Vault 81, Diamond City. Hopefully she shows up.